ADC is a new Nigeria, ADC is a new face. We believe, the youth believe in new face. And we believe that the country will change. The country has been in one problem, in one shock to another. So the only party that can redeem this country is ADC, from presidential down to the local government.
But are you not afraid that they will use their muzzle to muzzle you out? Is it a ruling party? Look at the last election, what happened? Are you not fearing that they say
that the youth in the FCT, we don't follow the money. We vote who is going to give us what they want. You see, the ability of discover the potential on you is what youth followed. During the campaign, who tell them what we will give them. We tell them what is in our offices. The potential is in the brain, and at the center, the creativity, as I earlier said.
Out to liberate our people. We are here to get them out of the quagmire we found ourselves. This Kwale Council, we are not underrating anybody's effort, but I think we are out to see how we can at least elevate the Kwaleans into the next level. That is our aspiration. And you can see for yourself, you can see the number of the population, you can see the number of people that turn out to at least appreciate us. So I think once you have your people, I think you shouldn't be scared, because it's one vote, one man, one vote. And by the grace of God, we beg that INEC do the needful, and we will have no problem.
Are you going to beg INEC?
And of course, that the situation we find ourselves. That's what brought about ADC. That's what brought about ADC, to normalize the anomaly, the wrongdoings. So if you are in a position in this country today, if you are in a position in this country today, you have to beg INEC to do the needful. That is just the fact. Thank you very much.
The council we have in FCT, if you look at Kwale, there's no any development. You don't know that something is happening, and we are ready to change. And by special grace, we will change it, because we have a capable chairman who understands the problem of Kwale Area Council. And that is why we are very, very happy with him, because Kwale appreciates him. He's a young guy and he's full with the talent. And he's going to change Kwale. All what we are doing, all what we are begging, is INEC to do the nation. Because I've seen many things in this country. And that is why ADC is coming to change the narration of politics of Nigeria. But INEC should help us and do the nation. That's what we are pleading to INEC.
But the by-election, ADC could not do anything.
Yes, we are trying to encourage our people to not to sell their votes, because we know, we will normally see how money is. So even this last election, we saw how the money flows in. But we are pleading to our supporters to not to sell their rights, because the vote is their right. That's what we are going to encourage them to do. Because we believe if our people reject their money, we are going to win massively. And that's what will be our number one priority to do, to advertise our people, to sensitize our people, to not to collect money from them, so that they'll be able to get good leadership.
Ibrahim Suleiman, I'm the immediate past National Organizing Secretary, and equally by extension I conduct the primaries of this. And at the same time we receive about 2,000 the campaigns from various political parties, which is and this thing is just a tip of the iceberg, because of a lot of momentum the African Democratic Congress is gathered. And for the mere fact that the candidates have kept a niche for themselves, you understand, by doing a lot of empowerment, and by virtue of his pedigree and antecedent in politics, particularly the grassroots politics, which in his area. So at least you can see the crowd. I am passionately appealing to them that they should vote ADC, because so that they can test what is called the dividends of democracy. This is somebody that has done tremendous well to the community, and that speaks volume of himself. So if he is not empowered, he was able to do this kind of empowerment. Let alone if he's empowered, you know, he will do wonders. I think you understand. So therefore we are passionately appealing to them. Let them vote him let them come out en masse and vote ADC so that at least they will now know the dividends of democracy will be close. They will see it at the door of their front. Lottery to defend their vote. You understand? This is somebody, just like the way I say, have done tremendously well for the community. And it is the community that told him to come out. And they are ready to support him in whatever means. I think you understand. So that will not scare us and will not scare the candidate, because he's equal to the task. And they have their own strategy on how to see how they can be able to tackle that angle that you have mentioned.